Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a customer favorite, Tousled by Gabor in the color GL27/29. This color is also known as chocolate caramel. This is one of the more popular colors that we sell from Gabor. People really like this color. It's a really pretty dynamic color, but it's one that's very difficult to approximate outside of this product line, and let me show you what I mean. This is a really dynamic blended color. It's made up of two different shades. You got a 29, which has all of these luscious sort of coppery colors. Now in most color palettes, a 29 is going to be quite auburn, and it's going to be a little darker than this, which makes it hard to approximate this color based on color code. A 29 also has little snippets of this really light blonde in it, and so does the 27. The 27 from this Gabor particular mix has some extra light gold blonde in with that caramel brown. So it's got a whole bunch of different colors going on all in this one color. Now in full disclosure, to get Tousled to look like this, I combed her. And then I just kind of fluffed her. And then she did this. And it's really cute. So I'm going to go ahead and do 360 so you can see what this one looks like all the way around. This is a really darling, quirky little wig. I mean, it's definitely different compared to other things that you'll find, but it's so soft and feminine looking. It's just really cute. This wig weighs 2.6 ounces. The front is 8 inches, but it's curled, so that doesn't really mean much. I think the only other measurement that you should really pay much attention to is the nape, which is 3 inches. I also highly recommend cutting the tags out of this wig if you decide to keep it, just because they might get in the way, you know, because this nape is kind of short in the back. This is a really cute wig in person. It has a really nice lace front. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on that. You can see it's kind of sparse in the front, and then it kind of gets thicker as it goes up towards the top. Really small knots there too. And this one does have this monofilament side part there. So I'm going to go ahead and take Tousled off now so I can show you what the cap looks like. It's like so hard to describe how cute it is in person, but it's really cute, especially after you comb her out and fluff her up a little bit. So this wig has a lace front, as I mentioned before, and a monofilament side part that is on the left. It does have an open side and open wefted back. Does not have an extended nape, but look how big those tags are compared to the rest of the nape hair. You'll want to cut those out if you decide to keep this wig. There is soft fuzzy felt here in the back, specifically for the Velcro adjusters. And there is soft fuzzy felt here on the ear tabs as well. There is permatease on the top of this wig across from where the monofilament features are. And here is that color up close and personal one more time. It's a really pretty color, very warm. I'm going to go ahead and put Tousled back on for you now. And there you have it. This has been the Tousled wig by Gabor in the color GL27/29, also known as chocolate caramel. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching this wig review. Hopefully you'll watch many more, because I'm going to make many more, so it'd be kind of pointless if nobody watched them. So until next time, I hope you have a great night. Bye-bye.